Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can extract and install a zip file game with on your PC. So without further ado, let's get started. So once you get this file here, what you need to do next is to right click on it, show more options, and then you can extract all, and extract to desktop or whatever you like. And then it will be a new folder here. Open up that particular folder, and then you just need to look for exe file. So if you don't see exe file, you just need to press view, show, and then file name extensions. And exe file should look like this, some sort of exe, right? And what you need to do here is to run that particular exe. So there can be two possible ways. You can instantly play the game, or you can install that particular game with exe. So just click on exe and you will be prompted to install the game, or you can play it. And that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like.